Hello, here we got a mini bike. I just got it from my mother. She gave it to my kids. Tuning it up, got it started, painted a little bit, chopped some little bit. Got the custom made fenders. They were a little more like sticking out, like they were pointing out pointy right here, but I fell, and that would have been kind of dangerous, you know, if the kids, like, I kind of want to take these off later, you know, but I bented them down a lot so it won't be so jagged, you know, because you can see how I had it. It would have been way out here but I bent it so that jagged edge won't be sticking out so much. And I got the custom made chain guard. I found this plate on the freeway when my mom broke down on the side of the freeway. I had to go pick her up, and I found this badass plate. My mom's good though. Shit, we made it off the freeway. Got her off the freeway. Just did an oil change. Well, actually, I took out the oil. I need to put the oil back in. I got the wrong oil. And that's a fender right there. As you can see, it would have been sticking out way more, but I bent it so it won't be so jagged. Well, it's jagged no matter what, but it's not pointing straight out. And the way I hooked up the throttle, oh man, I was having a headache with the throttle. But here's the throttle cable. Bought it new on Amazon for like $8, 10 bucks or something. It's good so far. And well, this is how I hooked it up. See the wire? This is the wire. And you see how usually the wire goes in this hole, but it had a little nub on the end of the wire, so it wasn't able to fit into the hole. So what I did was use the same bracket. I just put the wire through the hole where the screw goes, and I put the screw, I snugged it real tight against the screw and the end of this little bracket. I don't know if you could tell what I'm saying or showing you, but you see how it's crammed between the screw and the bracket, pretty much, you know what I mean? It's like a wire clamp. It's like a wire clamp. If you can do this, it's like a wire clamp. And then I rigged it to go through. Like, wait, there's the original end of the wire. That piece right there is supposed to be right here, but it was too small. There wasn't enough length of wire so I would reach the gas. And I stuck it in there, like that. Stuck it in there like that. Well, it's jammed right here. And this is the return spring. And pretty much I got the gas wire wrapped around.
Hey, Ray, you want one?
Yeah, I'll take one. Well, that's how I did my cable wire.
Want two or one?
Just one's fine.
Look at this guy over here. He's working on it.
My mom found it in the trash.
His mom found it in the trash. He's over here fixing and riding it around, killing himself almost.
I fell. Almost hit a car last night too. No brakes on it. I had to fix the brakes here.
It's nice. Hey, your thing is nice, Vanessa.
What?
And all that.